Fear, guilt, shame, grief, lies, illusion, attachment, ignorance. If you have any of these, remember, okay, I have this, identify this. And okay, once you know that you need to change in that particular area, you will be able to guide your energies, focus. It will happen naturally. But while it is happening, you will know it. That's the best thing. Because you can see that, oh, this was like this before, now it is changing. My speech was like this. Now I'm no more speaking like this. Speech was one thing that I saw was a huge change in me personally. I used to blabber continuously. Suddenly I became quiet. All my friends, family members, everybody was asking, why is he keeping quiet? I was talking as a response when they asked me something. Otherwise, it was not the case. And I was very careful with my words. Naturally, it happened. So earlier, I used to blabber a lot, talk a lot, come back and see, why did I speak like that there? That was unnecessary talk. Those issues have come down a lot. So such knowing your problem, knowing your issues is better, because when the change happens, you can see, oh, I changed here. That feels good, right? If you have fear, suddenly you started facing fears. You have become courageous, and slowly you are becoming fearless. What is the difference between courage and fearlessness? Courage comes when you still have fear, but you have not yet become fearless. Courage comes in between fear and fearlessness. Okay? When you have lowest energy, you are in fear. When you are in highest energy, you are in love. Osho clearly says, when you meditate, first you will love yourself. You will start from fears, you'll cross everything, you'll come to a point where you will love yourself. You are full of yourself. Then whatever you do with others is just showing your love. It need not be a person. You will love irrespective of who it is. Even if it is a dog, you will touch it with love. Even if it is a person, you'll speak with love. He says, Osho says, even a rock in your aura, once you're full of love, even rock senses your love. Right? But nobody tells you how to go to a point where you can love everyone. Osho tells very clearly, meditation leads to love. Meditation leads to seeing also. Love and light, both, are the outcomes of meditation. Light as an information, knowledge. Love as in love. Love is not an emotion. Love is energy. We have converted love into an emotion. So all the problems are because of lack of love. Any emotional problems are because of lack of love. Many people think that lack of love from others. No, lack of self-love. You love yourself irrespective of whether others love you or not. From that moment, you will start seeing that everybody loves you. A person who loves himself or herself, everyone loves that person. Have you noticed this? Because you don't care. If you don't love yourself, you will keep caring for everyone who will love me, who will not love me. You'll see them, they come into your reality. But if you love yourself, you don't have time to look for love. If somebody is coming into your reality, you will only see that they are coming out of love. You will only see that you are getting more attention, more love. That was my personal experience. Before coming into meditation, maybe in 2001, my brought up was very different. I was not, I was not with my own parents at a very young age. I was adopted by my aunt, and I couldn't adjust with them. And they had their own baby, and because of which there was always a kind of separation, a kid and adopted kid and the own kid, though they were nice to me. I felt lonely. I couldn't go back to my parents, nor I was comfortable with them. So I made a lot of friends. I always used to look for care and attention from friends. But uh, after some days, I started feeling, why am I going behind? Why am I a beggar? Beggar is the word. So I felt I'm begging. And when nobody is looking at me, nobody is giving time to me, attention to me, and I'm with my own self, I'm sad, I'm depressed. I didn't like that. I was fed up with that attitude. So I felt that I was a parasite. If there is no one to care for me, give attention to me, that means I'm not able to survive. That means I'm a parasite. Energy wise, right? So I chose not to be a parasite. So I started being with myself. Okay, however it is going to be, however worst, bad it's going to be, I'll be with myself. That's when meditation happened to me, luckily, and that's when I realized you actually don't need anyone. Once you know how to be joyful all by yourself, your needs will come down. Your need for people comes down. Attention, need for attention, you stop craving. And you're quite comfortable with yourself. That's when things change. You make that shift. Once you are happy with yourself, you're loving yourself, you're enjoying yourself, only positive people will come into your reality all by themselves without you asking. You'll suddenly you'll be becoming a magnetic person. People are after you. People go behind a self-loving and a joyful person. That's what I used to do earlier. Now people come behind you because then you understand the secret. Okay, inner transformation. Okay, you need to enrich yourself with your own self. You are the source of love, not others. You don't need anybody's recognition, anybody's energy. You're fine, right? So that transformation will definitely happen because of meditation. And any relationship issues are because of need versus love. Two people, if they are need based, there are lots of expectations, there are lots of conditions, lot of acceptance issues, relationships get affected. If two people are out of love, less expectations, more acceptance, more giving, multiplication of energy, it's a wonderful experience. Harmony, right? Where there is more love, obviously there is more harmony, right? So the moment you change from fear to love, it affects every aspect of your life, not just relationships, even diet. Earlier I used to eat meat, but I was meditating, still I was eating. But one day, why am I responsible for killing of a being? Why should I? There's a lot of pain in me suddenly. That day my senses didn't work. My consciousness, my conscience said this is wrong, and I stopped. For common sense, it's a fact that any meat, non-veg is always out of killing, right? That my mind always knew that, but I never changed my habit. But without anybody telling me, this change happened. That kind of awakening happened. And once you start getting into love, it's a beautiful journey. And meditation is the path where you will get both light and love, knowledge and love. You'll go to the point. You are love and light, actually. You'll go to yourself. You are the source. Okay? You will connect this little self to your own higher self. And you're rich. Suddenly. So trust yourself. Be with yourself.